Our grammar lesson today is about adjectives. Do you remember when we took the nouns and verbs before? What are the nouns? The nouns are names for what? For people, things, or animals, right? And the verbs show us the action, or they show us, or they tell us what did someone do. So let's write some examples for nouns and verbs. Nouns like our names, Aya, for example, boy, girl, sun, moon, cat, lion, what else? Book. All of those are nouns, right? Let's take some examples for verbs. Write, dive, not dive, read, drink, eat, leap, stretch, what else? Jump, swim, dance. All of those are verbs, right? So today we're going to take something new. We're going to talk about adjectives in the beginning. Let's see. Jury, unmute your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Choose a bike. If you want to get a bike, if you want to get one of those bikes, which one will you choose? Yes, Jury, choose a bike.
The blue one.
The blue one, why? She likes the blue bike. Why did you like it? Do you like the blue color? Or do you like its design?
Because I like the blue color.
Okay, it's really nice. Thank you, Jury. So Jury she choose the blue bike. Yes, Abdullah. Choose a bike, Abdullah. If you will have one of those bike, which one will you choose?
Red.
The red bike, why?
Because I like the red color.
Excellent, because you like the red color, and maybe because it has what? It has. Unmute your mic.
It has
a basket to put your things, right? Is it bigger or smaller than the blue bike?
Small.
Oh no, the red is bigger, so it's big, right? So Abdullah likes the red bike because it has a basket and because it's big and because he likes the red color. Thank you, Abdullah. Now let's see. Okay, Ratil. I forgot to put another house, but wait, I will show you. Give me just a second to draw something for you. Let me edit. Okay, look at you. Do you know what is this? Don't laugh at my drawing. What do you think about my drawing? I can draw very well. Okay. Okay. Khalid then Ratil. Okay, Khalid.
Yes, teacher.
Choose a house, Khalid. You will live in.
I like the bigger house.
The big house. Mm-hmm.
Yes, because it's having school and have so many people and and uh, and you teach us.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. So Khalid, he liked the big house because it has a lot of rooms and it can fit for many people. And maybe he likes it because it has big windows and there are some green trees around it. Ratil, Ratil, unmute your mic, Ratil.
Yes, miss.
Okay, look at here. Choose an owl of those owls. Choose one. If you will get one of them, which one will you choose?
Bank.
The pink. Okay, describe it. Why do you like the pink? Can you describe it?
You have the bank. You have.
It has
You have
has what on her head? It has a bow and it has big eyes and small
a small nose
nose.
and they
Excellent.
and have
What is its wings color?
is white
Brown wings.
brown.
It has a brown wing.
This
It's very nice. Okay, thank you, Rakim. So now
what
let's try to describe those things. Okay, if we want to describe this bike, we're going to say it's a red bike. It is a big bike. It has white round wheels. It has a beautiful chair. It has a brown basket, right? It has a belt. If we want to describe this bike, we're going to say it's a small bike. It doesn't have a bell. What else? It doesn't have a basket, and it has two colors. It has blue, or it's blue and white. Okay. So if we want to describe this house, we will say it's a big white house. It has many windows. It has green trees around it. Okay, so let's see. In the beginning, let's talk about nouns. The nouns are names for a person, place, or thing. Okay, like the girl is noun, the house is noun, the wagon is a noun. Okay. So now to our lesson today is about adjectives. The adjectives are words that tell us about the nouns. They describe the nouns. For example, if we want to describe the lollipop, we will say it has a round shape. If we want to describe the snail, we will say it's slow. If we want to describe the rabbit, it has a long big teeth. He has orange carrot, thin and long orange carrot in his hand. He has an egg and or let's say it has a blue egg in his hand. If we want to describe, for example, the lemon, what will we say about the lemon? It's sour. If we want to describe the flower, we will say it's a fresh flower. If we want to describe the rainbow, we can say it's a colorful rainbow. So the adjectives help us to describe the things or to describe the noun. So the adjective is a word that describes a noun, tells how it looks, how it smells. It tells us how it sounds, or it tells us about its sounds, how it feels or tastes. It tells how many of it. Who can describe this dog, Yusuf?
yes.
Can you describe this dog?
The dog is a noun and
Mhm. He is a cute animal, or it is a cute animal. It has fur, so we can say it's furry, right? What about its color?
It's dark brown and normal brown.
Excellent. And it has a spot, so we can say spotty. It has fur, so we can say it's furry, right?
Spotty.
And he is, or it is cute and friendly, we will say. It is a cute dog. It is a friendly dog here. We will say it has a brown roof and a blue color. So the adjectives are words that help us to describe the nouns. They help us to describe many things. Can you describe this dog? Let's look at this dog. This dog is, look at his muscles. Let's see who didn't answer. Asil, unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, Asil. Which dog do you prefer? The black or the brown, and why? Can you what?
Black.
The black, why? Look at his muscle. Is he strong or weak? Look and look at that. Yes, Asil. Can you describe the black dog? Is it strong or weak, Asil?
Strong.
Strong. Okay, excellent. Asil said the black dog is strong. Thank you, Asil. And even the orange is strong. Okay, thank you. Lara?
Yeah.
Can you describe the black dog and short and the orange dog in the second picture here? In the second here? The orange dog is short or tall? Short. And the black dog is short or tall? Tall. Excellent. Thank you. Hisham? Hisham?
Yeah, Smith.
Hisham, can you describe the dogs in the third picture here?
Fast.
The orange dog or the brown dog is fast, and the black dog
Slow.
slow. Excellent. Thank you, Lina.
Hey, teacher.
Can you describe the net and the rook in this picture? What about the net? Is it heavy or light? Nothing. No, it's a feather. It's a feather.
What? Like and the duck. And the duck.
A feather is light, and the rook is
okay.
The rook is what?
The rock
Right. The rook
is
heavy.
light.
No, it's heavy.
Heavy.
It's heavy. Thank you, Lina.
Heavy.
Again. Habiba. 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 Okay. Battal.
Yes, miss.
Wait, Habiba.
Yes, miss.
Wait, Habiba. Wait.
Yes,
Battal. Can you describe the elephant and the mouse in this picture? The elephant is big, wonderful, and the mouse is small.
Small.
Excellent, Habiba.
Small.
Excellent, wonderful, Battal. Can you describe the basket here?
Yes, miss.
Describe the basket. This basket, the first basket is full of flowers, and the other basket
Full.
is empty. Let's describe the hill.
Empty.
This is a high hill and this is a low land. Thank you. So I want you to concentrate grade 1. The adjectives help us to describe the nouns. They tell us if the thing or the person short or long, if is she is good or bad, beautiful or awful, for example. Okay, let's take some adjectives. Let's describe those dogs. We can say, I can see a strong dog. I can see a weak dog. If you want to describe a sandwich, you will say, yummy. It's a delicious sandwich, right? If you want to describe the honey, you will say, it's sweet. If you touch something, you will say, oh, it's rough. Or maybe you will say, it's soft. Wow, it's soft. I like the teddy bear because it's soft. I don't like the rock because it's rough. When you touch it, you will describe it, right? So sometimes we smell something, we say it has a beautiful smell. Other times, maybe they have a bad smell. May, Serena, and Elian, turn on your cams, please. Turn on your cams, please. Now get your grammar books. Get your grammar books and open page number, grammar book, page number 106. 106. Your grammar book, page number 106. Grammar book, page 106. Okay, and let's write the date. 23/2/2021. Okay, an adjective is a word that tells about noun. The noun names a person, place, or thing. Okay, I looked at the pretty flowers. When we say pretty flowers, pretty is adjective. If we say, look at here, I saw the blue bird, the blue birds. The blue is the adjective. If we say, I eat a small sandwich or a delicious sandwich, delicious is the adjective. If we say he jumped over the high, the high what? The high rope. High is the adjective. She is wearing or she wears beautiful clothes. Beautiful is the adjective. The sun is or I talked to the small mouse. The small is the adjective. Do you understand what's the meaning of adjective, grade 1? The adjective describe the noun. Okay, let's see who didn't answer. Omar. Omar, unmute your mic. Omar, unmute your mic again.
What teacher?
Listen now. Circle the adjective in each sentence. Underline the noun it tells about. The first one is done for you. Look at the first one. Yeah, is a shaggy dog. Shaggy is adjective because it describes the dog, and the dog is a noun. Now look at number 2. Michelle is wearing blue shorts.
Blue and
Blue, is it adjective or noun? Blue is adjective. Excellent. And short, noun. Excellent.
No.
Thank you, Omar. Eileen, unmute your mic, Eileen. Eileen. Rina. Rina, unmute your mic. Mais, Rina, Omar Hijazi, turn on your cams.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Eileen, number 2. I ate a sweet apple for a snack. What is the adjective?
Yes.
Rina, okay, yes, Rina? Who's answering? Wait, please, one by one, okay? Rina, then Eileen, okay? Yes, Eileen. Oh, sorry. Yes, Rina. I ate a sweet apple for a snack. Okay, thank you,
I don't know.
Rina. Eileen? Eileen? Hello, Eileen.
Yes, teacher.
I ate a sweet apple for a snack. What is the adjective?
Hello.
Wait, I will mute you all.
Who's copying?
Eileen, answer, Eileen, please. Eileen.
Yes.
I ate
Yes, teacher.
sweet apple. How did she describe the apple? She said sweet apple. So sweet is adjective and apple is the noun. Okay, Eileen. Okay, thank you, Eileen. Let's see who didn't answer. Asil. Abdullah, you answered already. But if there is a time, you're gonna answer
Yes,
again.
teacher.
Kim likes her worm coat. Kim likes her worm coat. Worm is the adjective. Coat is... Yes, Asil.
I write the...
I wrote.
I write the... Your... I write the... I write the...
What did you write?
You write it?
The project?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, did you download it on the platform? I didn't see it yet. If you didn't send it, you can send it, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Asil. You're the first one. But I didn't see it yet. I will see it after the session if you download it. Miran, unmute your mic, Miran.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Miran. Number 5. We flew our kite on a windy day.
What?
Flew our kite on a windy day. What is the adjective?
What again?
We flew. Look at number 5 and read it by yourself.
Okay.
We flew our kite on a windy day.
On a windy day?
Mm-hmm. Windy is what? Is the adjective,
Windy.
and day is the noun.
Wind. The noun.
No. Windy is the adjective, and day is the noun. Look at here, grade 1. If we say, look at here. If we say sweet honey, sweet is the adjective and honey is the noun. Short, for example, short boy, short is the adjective and boy is the noun. Tall, giraffe or tall, what? For example, tall tower. Tall is the adjective and tower is the noun. If we say beautiful flower, beautiful is adjective and flower is a noun. If we say yellow, sun, yellow is adjective and sun is the noun. If we say curly hair, curly is adjective and hair is the noun. Okay? If we say straight hair, straight is adjective and hair is noun. Furry dog, furry is adjective and dog is noun. If we say cute, cat, cute adjective and cat noun. If we say friendly, friendly girl, for example, friendly adjective and girl is noun. So the adjective come to describe the noun. Okay, do you understand? If we say small nose, it has a small nose. It has long hair. Our house is big, so we live in a big house. Do you understand? Okay. Now open page number 107. 107. Let's see who didn't answer. 107. Mace. Omar Hijaz, turn on your cam. Yes, Mace. Mace, are you here? Turn on your cam, Mace. Turn on your cam.
My cam.
Okay, no, I can see you now, but I didn't see you before. An adjective tells number, concentrate. All of you, the adjectives tell us about the number or the color or the size and shape and how things look, feel, smell, or taste. Grammar book. Did you open your book or not yet, Mai?
I open it, but it's the same. Yeah?
Yes, the same book. So the adjective can tell us about the number. For example, I saw 7 birds or 7 ants. So 7 is adjective. Okay, so the adjective can describe the number or color or size, shape, and how things look, feel, smell, or taste. So we can describe something by our 5 senses. If we see it or touch it or smell it, okay? Or taste it.